So I'll get to it. Welcome to another video from Garden Cam Man. In this video I'll be pruning this hibiscus to start off because it was basically growing too tall and hitting up under the eaves. So now's about a month earlier than I should be pruning it. Around late September is the best time to prune them, but considering it's interfering with the clothesline and the roof, I thought it'd be a good idea to cut it down to size and do a bit of pruning on it, just the same as any other tree. Just prune it into whatever shape you want, and always prune it on the angle. Never do it flat. Only encourages disease to come in there when the water stays on the top. But anyway, that's the start. You'll see me pruning this hibiscus down to a good size. Then I finally get round to finishing off my makeover of the side of the house with the 15mm pine bark, and that's been an ongoing job for around 8 weeks now. I thought I could get it done in 2 hours, and then it ended up taking 8 hours, so a little bit of an underestimation for that one. However, later on in the video you'll see that, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result, and so were the owners. After that I'll give a tip on a little bit of a mowing tip about the grass going onto the, when it goes the wrong way. But anyway, I'll leave that to the video to explain, and then finally I'll be weeding, and I figured out a new method for basically taking the tops off the daffodils without actually having the bulbs come out when you pull them out. Now I know you're meant to let the daffodils die right down before you pull them out, but some people just can't stand it. They look too messy, so they don't want anything dead in their garden. So in this case I've got to pull them all out. Well, just leave a little bit anyway, just so it looks a bit neater. So yeah, that's what this video contains, and hope you enjoy it, and thanks for visiting. Back off the roof now. Good. Happy with that. And there's clearance for the wall. See through. Perfect. Alright, so here we are, the final frontier. For the last load here to finish off this beautiful looking garden now. Anyway, I'll get to work. That's it. Yes. Been a long time coming, but it's a good day. Good day. Look at that. That's amazing. It just looks like a totally different area. Beautiful. I might start walking the other end. Yep. Just a little bit of a fly through. A couple of little bits of newspaper folding up. Nothing to worry about. Spectacular. That's the word I'm going to use for that one. I don't have to worry about that because I'm about to mow the lawn. Mulch all that up. That looks amazing, yeah. Okay, so I've just finished doing that. Now I'm mulching up the pine bark into the grass, so it's disappearing. That's good. This video isn't about that though. It's about something I did. As you can see, the mower's got a side thrower, which is good. Great for mowing grass. But if you ever happen to do a stupid thing and face that side thrower outwards when you're mowing, like I did, say you should be going up the left side first so that the side thrower can shoot you out to the right and just keep working in. But if you do happen to go straight up there and not thinking too clearly because you're sweating and all that, the worst thing you can do is use the mower to mow over it and blow it back in. And the reason being, the wheels from that will go over that wet grass and leave big green lines all the way down there. So don't do it. The only thing you can do now while it's sitting there is not tread on it, not do anything with it. Don't use the mower, just get the blower, just blow it back on. Because if you put this on top of there, you have lines there for a month. Or you could hose it all off, which will take you another hour. Right, so I decided to take this video just one little step further. Get out the blower and just show what I'm talking about. So as you can see here, this is what I'm talking about. See that green line? That's from the mower when I went across there. So you can imagine what would happen if I went right down the whole thing. You'd have this everywhere and it's stained, so I'll have to wash that off at the end. So that'll take an extra 10 minutes just washing that off. With the lucky there's the hose right there. But yeah, just to show, thought I'd do that, and yeah, just to show the market please, and made a little bit extra work for myself for no real reason. So yeah, it'd be appreciated if you like this video, because you know, I think I deserve it after making such a mess. Right, I'll start this blower up. Read all this up here. Push it there. feeling the push mowing from yesterday. It's got good through the pain. Okay, that's a full bucket. So I've come from there, up there, up to there.